Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be reviewing this brand new foundation by Milani. This is the Screen Queen Natural Finish Foundation. It has digital blue light. It has a lot of promising claims, so I'm excited to share my thoughts with you guys, let you guys know if I think it's worth your money or not. But before we get started into today's video, if you're not yet part of our TSQUAD family, please subscribe down below. Hit that notification bell so YouTube alerts you when I do upload a video, which is 3 times a week, every single week. Don't forget to follow me on social media, Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook. Links are in the description box. I'm also going to be reviewing the Luminous and the Matte Putty Primers by e.l.f. very soon, so stay tuned for that. And also the new Wet n Wild Dewy Foundation. I'm excited to see the comparison, kind of compare the two, see which one I like better. But right now, if you want to know my thoughts on this brand new foundation, do you want to know if it's full coverage, medium coverage, light coverage, what's the finish like, do you want to see how well it wears throughout the day, then let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, I have my coffee ready to go. I actually really like foundation reviews because I feel like they're fast, they're easy, they're to the point. Well, if I don't talk for like a million hours, right? 2 new foundations. I have the new Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy Foundation, which I'm kind of, curious to test this out. But I also have the new Milani Screen Queen Natural Finish Foundation right here. I think we're going to try this one out first. Okay, so I went ahead and pulled my hair back. I really don't want to straighten my hair. I don't want to curl my hair. I don't want to do anything to my hair. So excuse my natural curly wavy hair. On the back of the foundation it says Luminous Natural Finish Foundation. It's a skin finish. It's buildable, light to medium coverage, and it is also long wearing. So we're going to put all of that to the test. Right now, the foundation has a 5-star rating on the Ulta website. You get 1 fluid ounce of product, and it does retail for $13.99. It says, break up the blue light. You are on the phone 24/7. How did you know? Milani is not mad at you, but your skin might be because of the blue light coming from your devices. It could be doing something serious damage, so I guess that's supposed to help. It's created to give you the woke up like this effortlessly perfected skin. This buildable light to medium coverage foundation blends seamlessly and blurs imperfections for an even, luminous, natural skin finish. It is made with digital blue light filter technology. This first of its kind formula helps fight the signs of digital damage, dullness, discoloration, hyperpigmentation, to keep your skin on point no matter how much screen time you clock. It has naturism flower extract to promote oxygenation, helping to strengthening skin's barrier and restore its capacity to overcome oxidative stress. Wow. It is available in 45 skin perfecting shades, which I think it's amazing for a drugstore. It is cruelty free and vegan. It is formulated for all skin types, tones, and ages. It's supposed to give you a youthful glow. It's supposed to brighten your complexion as well. So it really does have a lot. It has a lot of claims in my opinion. So we are going to be putting all of that to the test today. I did get mine in the shade 240 Warm Vanilla. I don't have anything on my skin. The glow, the dew that you see coming from within is my moisturizer, my serum, and I do mention that in my current winter foundation routine. In case you're interested, I'll leave it in the eye and down below. I'm not going to use any type of primer, but I am going to be using this product right here. This is the new e.l.f. Well, it's new to me. It's new to me. It's not new. But I did buy this because of Taisha here on YouTube. This is the Matte Oil Control Lotion. It has kaolin clay and tea tree, which tea tree is supposed to help with like acne, I want to say. I'm not sure, but I know it has like benefits for your skin. So this is basically supposed to hydrate, but it's also supposed to control your oil and keep you matte. It's supposed to give you a long-lasting matte finish. So I'm going to apply this to half of my face and we'll see how the foundation reacts to it. Just going to take 1 pump. Okay, so I feel like it definitely got rid of that dew that I had going on. And like I said, the dew is because of my skincare, but it feels very hydrating, very moisturizing. It doesn't feel drying. Usually when I think about a matte, moisturizer, I feel like it's going to be like drying or something like that, but this actually feels really good. All right guys, so I kind of want to use a brush, so I feel like I'm going to use a brush on this side. Should I or should I not? Yeah, let's use a brush on this side. So I'm going to take 1 pump of the foundation. 20 million years later. Hello, what the heck? Did I get a defective pump here? Seriously, what's going on? I feel like Something is going on. Oh my god, I'm still here. I don't know how much of this I'm gonna cut and edit, but I've been here for like a minute now. Oh, there we go. Okay. So I'm going to take one pump and I'm going to apply it to this side where I don't have the mattifying lotion. Just like that. And I'm going to take it on my brush. This is my favorite brush to apply foundation. So that blended out really nice, but I feel like it's not giving me full coverage. What kind of coverage was this? Light to medium buildable. I'm gonna take another pump on the brush. It's definitely a light to medium coverage. You can still see my freckles right here peeking through, and you can see this big ass pimple that I have right there. The shade, I feel like it's good. It's a little warm, but it still matches my neck just fine. Okay guys, so there you guys can see I feel like I got low medium coverage. I feel like it's not full coverage yet, but now I'm going to go ahead and move on to this side, and I'm going to be using the e.l.f. sponge. Off of first impressions, I feel like this is a product that starts off very sheer, very light coverage. So I feel like I'm getting better coverage with the brush, but I do like the finish better with the sponge. I just feel like with the sponge it's not looking cakey, and I feel like on this side it looks cakey. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with the brush. I'm going to take more because I'm trying to build it up. And I'm going to go ahead and build this up real quick. Literally just forgot where I applied the e.l.f. lotion, but this side, I'm obviously going to know when I edit, but on this side, my face looks very makeup-y and it looks very accentuated. I don't know, I'm not loving this side, but this side on the other hand, it looks a bit more hydrating than this side. And I don't remember what side I applied that lotion on. I'll figure it out when I'm editing or right now when I look at the footage. But yeah, it definitely looks better on this side. I'm going to apply just one more pump. I know that's kind of excessive, but I'm going to apply one more pump right here so I can see if it is buildable. I also don't think this is a luminous finish or a skin-like finish at all. I feel like it's more of like a demi-matte finish. That's the vibe that I'm getting. This side, I still say it is low medium coverage. I wouldn't say it is high medium coverage or full coverage at all. I feel like it's not really buildable because it is caking up. So this is what my skin is looking like. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my makeup. I'll come back to give you guys my final thoughts. I'm also going to wear this for a couple of hours just so I can see if the foundation warms up to my skin. I'll catch you guys in a second. Alright guys, so I'm back. I went ahead and finished the rest of my makeup, just something very natural, very light. Now I don't think this is a luminous foundation. I also don't think it's a natural skin-like finish. Don't think it's buildable though. About the long wearing, I mean, I'm gonna wear it for a couple hours, see how well it wears throughout the day, but right now I hate this side of my face, especially all down here. It just looks really cakey, really makeup-y. Underneath of my eyes it just looks accentuated. It's completely rubbed off right here on my nose. You guys can't see, but I'm going to show you a clip in natural lighting. This side doesn't look too makeup-y. Like I said, I don't remember. I have really bad memory, guys. I just gave birth. I'm going to blame it on that. But I don't remember what side I applied the e.l.f. matte lotion. I remember if it was this side or this side. But either way, whatever side it was, this is either helping or it's not helping at all. I don't know. But this side, it looks really bad. In the editing process, I'll let you guys know what side. And then right now when I check my camera, I'll make sure and see what side did I apply that product on. I'm going to wear this for a couple of hours and then I'll catch you guys later, give you guys a little bit of check-in and give you guys my final thoughts on the brand new Screen Queen foundation by Milani. So I'll see you guys in a second. So it's been 6 hours since I've worn the foundation. This does say it is, so it doesn't say exactly how many hours, but it does say it is supposed to be long wearing. My lipstick is gone, completely gone. I am shiny. I am like dewy, oily. I feel like I'm more oily and dewy on this side where it looks a bit more accentuated. It looks very cakey. It's separated on my chin. I have no foundation on my upper lip anymore. And overall, like I told you guys in the beginning, it still looks the same on this side, but now it just looks dewy as well. I'm going like this and it's lifting up the foundation. Let me zoom you guys in so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Alright guys, so I am completely zoomed in. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to tell, but it almost looks like crumbs, you know, like, I don't know, the foundation is crumb. I'm gonna go ahead and take a picture right now and I'm gonna insert it so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So I went ahead and zoomed you guys out. Overall, I think this is a big pass for me. I don't think it's worth the $13.99. I feel like there's better foundations out there on the market. I currently did my current winter foundation routine where I show you guys a bomb ass foundation and it is only $5. Anyways guys, let me know if you're going to try this out. Let me know if you've tried it. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. I always say in every review video, the products that might not work out for me might work out for you and vice versa. It's the beauty of makeup. Please do not come at me just because a product doesn't work out for me. We're all different, keep that in mind, and then we all have different skin types. Anyways guys, with all that being said, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Click that bell so YouTube alerts you when I do upload, which is 3 times a week. Don't forget to follow me on social media, Snapchat, Instagram, and Facebook. Links are in the description box below. Also, stay tuned for the review on the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy Foundation. I'm excited to try this out. And then also going to be reviewing and comparing the matte and the luminous primer by e.l.f. as well as their putty eye primer. So stay tuned for those reviews. With that being said guys, I hope you guys have an amazing day and I will catch you guys very soon in my next one. Bye guys.